What you're watching is not a random gallery. It's a curated selection. These JDM concepts are built to explore balance, tension, and proportion on some of the most iconic Japanese platforms. Each mock-up you see here is generated to test direction, not to impress at first glance.
Subscribe to FORMA Studio for real-time updates.
Notice how the graphics follow the car's architecture, how the visual weight stays controlled, and how identity is created without relying on excess. This is how decisions are made before production. Fast, comfortable, intentional. This selection represents one possible direction, not the only one, but a clear one, and clarity is the real advantage.
Subscribe to FORMA Studio for real-time updates.